Hi guys, good morning. Today we're expecting a shipment from Mixtiles and I'm so excited for this one. I've been waiting for this and I actually recommend this one for you guys. Just check this out. We just received our shipment and I'm going to show you guys what's inside, alright? See you guys. Wow. Hi Jules. Hey guys.
Hi.
So the package that we've been waiting for just arrived, right?
Yeah.
Let me see that. Alright. This one came from Mixtiles right there.
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to open it later, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
I wonder what's inside.
Yeah, that's a surprise. You will see it later, okay guys?
Okay.
Alright.
I'm so excited.
Me too. I've been waiting for this one for a long time. And it finally arrived.
Yay!
Alright guys, so here's the one that we just received from Mixtiles, alright? So we're going to open it now. Alright. We're excited for this one. We've been waiting for this, right?
And then we're gonna open the other one.
Yes.
That's
Alright. So let's see. Alright. So, what do we have inside? Whoa, it's a good size.
Wow!
Here it is. Okay? The size is really good actually. And the good thing with this one, you don't need a hammer for this one. There's a sticker in here at the back. And you just gonna stick it in the wall and it's easy to move. So just take it off if you want to move it and then transfer it to another location, right?
Yeah.
So this is a good one. So we just got this one. Our pictures, okay? And they're too light. It's really, really good. The quality of the picture that they did is very, very nice. Alright? So you can see it's very clear. Alright? I just sent it to them from their website. And the quality of the pictures, I really love it. It's really, really good, guys. Alright?
Yeah.
Do you love it, boys?
Yeah.
Alright.
Whoa! There's another one.
So if you guys have a very nice pictures that you want, that you've been keeping it in your cell phone for a long time, this is a good idea. You can just have this one, order it from Mixtiles, and then they will send it to you. Okay? The size of this one is 8 by 8. And it's very light, as you can see.
I remember this one.
Yeah, me too. See, if you guys travel around the world or anywhere, pictures of your babies and everything, you can have it like this one, Mixtiles, alright?
This is me.
Alright.
First time in school.
That's your first time in school, okay? So this is Laurent and this is Larry. That's their first time. That's Laurent's first time to go in school, okay?
And I have
Alright.
that.
It's a beautiful family picture, guys.
Yeah.
See that? I'm so excited for this one. Alright? So we're going to hang it soon. We're gonna hang it over here, alright?
Okay. Some of them is. Whoa!
Alright, we have more.
A baby! Whoa!
I actually ordered 24 of them.
Whoa!
Okay? And the quality with the price,
Whoa!
it's really affordable. Like, it's worth the price, right? See? The quality is very nice.
Whoa! Look at me as a baby!
Mm-hmm.
I have no.
See that, guys?
I did have a little.
Alright.
teeth.
So if you guys want to order this one too, I'm going to write down the descriptions below so you can just follow it and order it yourself. Alright guys? See that? We have all our pictures that we really love. Okay, so don't keep your pictures just inside your phone, okay? You have to make it like this. Okay? So it's very, very good. Wow, I love it. The quality is very good.
Oh guys, this is the symbol of playtime with Larry on the run.
Let me see that. Yes, that's, where is that?
Disneyland.
Disneyland in Japan.
Yeah.
All right, so this is it for this box, and I think we have another box there.
Yeah.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm just gonna put them back here. Okay.
Okay.
Just gonna put them back in the box.
This is cool. Yeah.
So this one, we've been waiting for this one for a long time. Actually, the estimated arrival is supposed to be July 9, and it's July 2nd now. It's really good. Mixtiles really did a good job for this one.
Yeah.
It is highly recommended, guys. If you guys want to put your pictures, this is the best idea for you guys to do.
Yeah.
Okay?
Without the
Alright.
hammer.
Without the hammer. You don't need a hammer for this one. You're just gonna stick it in the wall, and it's really good. Okay? Just fill this one and stick it in the wall.
But they don't take for a long time.
Yes, I know.
To make
See that, guys? Alright. Beautiful. So if you do this one, it's worth the money that you're spending for this one. You will be happy with the outcome. Okay? Put this one again. Beautiful.
it, and then this is whoa.
Alright.
There's some pictures in there in the library.
Yes.
Maybe that.
No, that's okay. I'm going to put this one here. Okay? And then we're going to open the other one.
Yeah.
Alright, guys? So I'm going to put this one here. Alright, then we're going to open this one again.
Yeah. I thought I could just open it right here because I feel that.
No, that's just the opening, but we're going to open it from here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here's another picture.
So here's another picture. What do we have there? I think this is John Larry's first name. See that? This is in...
See this one? Whoa, there's me as a baby
Yeah.
again.
This is in Disneyland in
Here,
Orlando.
here's you.
This one is in Barcelona, Spain. The one in our background is Sagrada Familia. And this one is in Rome. What we have in our background is
I was so...
the Colosseum. Alright, so we're just gonna put it here, guys, okay?
A lot.
Yeah, just put it here, okay, guys? And
Open it.
let's see the other one. What else do we have?
Whoa.
Alright. This is John Larry's first travel to the US.
No.
This is in New York, actually in New Jersey side.
Here's
What you can
all
see
of
behind
them.
you,
Here's
this
all
is
of
the
them.
Liberty.
Oh, yeah.
Alright?
I know that one.
So this is when we went to Washington, D.C.
Again.
What you can see behind us is the White House. Alright? And what's this?
Again.
This is me and my wife in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil.
Here.
Alright. Okay, what else do we have there? Did we check everything?
No.
Okay. This is the first travel with me and my wife outside the country. This is in Macau, right?
Huh.
Alright. Let's see, what else do we have? That's it. Okay? So now guys, we're going to hang it in the wall, okay?
Okay, I want to hang me as a baby.
Okay. So this is the outcome for the 14 Mixtiles. Alright, so we're gonna add 10 more on the side. Alright, because we got 24 all together.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put
No.
all of that one in the other side. Alright guys?
Easy.
Okay. Yes. Alright. So this is the outcome of everything.
Yeah, I
Alright.
like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Me too. So here it is, guys. As you can see, that's the outcome of everything. And you can rearrange this one if you don't like the setup, or if you want to move one picture to the other side, one picture from top to bottom, you can do anything, okay? It's just a sticky. You don't need to have nails or anything. You don't need a hammer, okay? So you just have to stick it. That's very light. The Mixtiles is very light, so it's really good, okay guys?
Yeah.
So I hope you guys like it, and please, I'm going to send the links or descriptions below so you can see where to order, okay guys? See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.